Wow, I'm going to show you guys something kind of cool, I think. See, I'm doing an article on water testing, right? Probably might need some of these terms, right? So let's take those. Let's paste those there. Oh, those are interesting. Probably some good terms to write an article with, maybe, And put those in there, add the... What's this about? It's about this. Let's do this. Clean Water Act. This is what it's about. It's not about this, or we can remove that. Generate a schema. Copy. Schema.org. Validate. Paste that all in there, and wow. Looks like some good stuff to put in schema, especially when you're talking about an article. So what do we have going on? All I gotta do is pick out the terms I want that seem important, but maybe that's not it. Let's talk about, I don't know. The Clean Water Act and the Safe Water Act. Let's open those up. We'll get the Clean Water Act. Let's grab some of these terms here and put those in there. Boy, look at all that juicy stuff. There's the Clean Water Act. Grab those terms too. Wow, look at all these good terms we can press. Paste those there. Go through, run a script, remove duplicates and all that good stuff, but boy, that's a lot of juicy, proper information to put in there, but I'm not going to need all this stuff. This isn't important. Once all done, go through and figure out what I don't want. Sounds pretty exciting, doesn't it? Yep. We have some goodies coming for everybody. And if everything goes well, that'll be even automated. Imagine when you're done, you paste your article in here and it looks to make sure you have your appropriate entities. And if you don't, it removes them. That way, when you create a schema for yourself, it's already perfect. There's still more coming. It'll be more optimized and trying to make it even automated. So keep an eye out, you guys. Join Master Course reviews, the ZimWriter training course. Come join my group over in Facebook. I'll try and leave a link or have someone leave a link down below later. It's been really fun. I have been working really hard planning the semantic course, and in fact, I didn't even sleep last night because I just really came upon a much simpler way to help people deal with semantics that aren't programmers and engineers. And Um, trying to make it simple as possible. And if you know me, that's what I'm known for. Make these super advanced things easily accessible, easily actionable. Anyways, so these are some of the goodies that are coming. Totally appreciate your support. Like, share, subscribe. Check out my website. If you support and like what I do, I'm supposed to ask for you to click those affiliate links, share some love, and if you're going to be using those tools anyways, well, help someone out. Anyhow, I appreciate you all, love you all, and come find success with me. I hope you get there.